Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can add a cinematic black screen opening to your edits in CapCut. So here you can just finish your edits or import your video, and to have a cinematic black screen you can just head to the video effects and then click on the opening and closing category. Then here just scroll down until you find this horizontal opening effect, so your video will have a, a horizontal black screen like that. And if you want, you can also have the other options, the vertical opening like this. So you can just choose which one that you think fits your needs the best. There's also a portrait open, but now I'm going to just use the horizontal one. Then after that, just click on the check icon and you can just adjust on how much or how long the effect will last in your video. So the result will go like this. Okay everyone, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.